In this video, we'll see about how we can use login flows in Salesforce. You can use a login flow to customize the login experience and also to integrate business processes with Salesforce authentication. So in this demo, I'm going to create a new login flow and also create a new screen flow to display a welcome message for a user who is trying to log into my Salesforce org. So for that, I'm going to create a screen flow first. To create a screen flow, click on the settings icon, go to setup, search for flows, click on flows, select new flow, select screen flow, click on next, select auto layout. And here my requirement here is whenever I'm trying to log into my Salesforce org, I need to get a welcome message. I need to get a welcome message saying this welcome back and the current login username. Current login name of the current login user. So for example, current login user name is Varun, so I need to display a message saying like welcome back Varun. So for that we need to get the name of the current login user. So Salesforce is providing us some input variables which are supported. So using these input variables we can just get the current login id, current login user id. So I'll just copy this input variable and just go back to my flow builder, and here I'm going to click on, here I'm going to create a new resource of type variable, and the API name is login flow user ID, and the data type is text, and it should be available for input, and just click on done. So this will hold the current login user ID. Now based on this ID, I'm gonna get the name of the user using get records. So get users, get user will be the name, and obviously the object is user, and here I'm gonna provide a condition where id equal to the login flow user id, and I need only one record, and I just want need only two fields, that is id and name. That will be enough for me, and just click on done. Now here I'm gonna add a screen element to display the welcome message. I'll just name this as display welcome message, and here I'm gonna drag a display text component to show my welcome message. Just name this as show welcome message, and here I'm gonna welcome back and the current login user. From the current login user I'm gonna display the name. That's it, and just click on done, just click on save. I'll just name this as welcome screen and click on save. Activate your flow. Now once you activate it, go back to setup again, and here search for login flows. Click on login flows. Once you click on login flows, click on new, select the type of the login flow, it should be a flow, and what's the name? I'll just name this as welcome screen, and select your flow. Welcome screen is my flow. User license, select Salesforce here, and profile. So here I'm gonna select custom read-only profile. So whenever a user with this profile, whenever a user with this profile called as custom read-only is trying to log into my Salesforce org, then he should be able to see this welcome screen. And here you can see, if you want to render this flow in lightning runtime, you can check this. If you want to render this flow in classic runtime, you can just uncheck this. Now just click on save. Now whenever a user with this profile is logging into my Salesforce, then he should be able to see this welcome screen. So as of now, if I go back to my users in this org, I have like two users. One is system admin user, and also I have a user with custom read only profile. So now I'm gonna log in with this user. I'm gonna log in with this user. So here I'm gonna enter my username and password. So this user has a profile called as custom read only, and once I click on login, it's gonna ask me for verification code. So I'm gonna enter my verification code here, and here I'm gonna enter my verification code here and just click on verify. Once you click on verify, you can see this is the welcome screen which we created. It's showing me a message welcome back and the current logged in user, the name of the current logged in user. And if I click on finish button, once I click on finish button, I'll be redirected to this sharing demo app.